Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial videos. So today we'll be taking you guys on a comprehensive guide on how to use DeFi Llama. What you'll be needing is your Chrome browser or any other browser. So head into your Chrome browser, type in defilama.com. Once you open your defilama.com, you see the overall total value locked of all chains sitting at 99.77 billion. The reason for the TVL could be staking to get rewards. It could be staking to get an airdrop. So you can see for you to select, you can select a different chain depending on the coin you are looking out for. We have Ethereum, Tron, BSC, Solana, Bitcoin, etc. So you can still, for you to be specific, you can select chains, key in the chain you are looking out for, or you click on these straight lines, click on DeFi, click on chains. Then all chains will pop up. As you can see, we have Ethereum sitting at number 1 at the TVL. The TVL is $52.58 billion. Tron is $9.68 billion. BSC 5.71, etc. So we can check out for this is the 1 day change, 7 day change, 1 month change. So you can toggle for 1 month change. You can see the changes, the top gainers for 1 month. In 1 month, Zai is the top gainer with 5,630%. TVL of $824,844, followed by Melane, followed by Fractal, etc. So to be on the safer side, you should be looking out for ecosystems that have TVL from say $1 million, $900,000, $1 million and above TVL, to be on the safer side. So let's check for any of this ecosystem. So let's look at SU. Open a new tab. SU. It's coming up. SU is sitting at a total value lock of 656 million TVL. So this is the TVL. So what we are looking at for actually, we are comparing the TVL with the market cap and the price, and subsequently the stable coins entering the system. So this is the TVL. You can see the chart is going up, is increasing. As you can see, the TVL is increasing. Remember when we started, you say you are looking out for increase in TVL and increase in the stable coins entering the ecosystem. So you can see, as you can see, the TVL is increasing from this chart. Then let's look at the stable coins entering the system. All right. So look at the stablecoin entering the system. You can see from 320. You can see the chart of the stablecoin entering the system. You can see that it is increasing from February. It has gone up. So for people for stablecoins to be entering this ecosystem, it means there's something positive coming out of this ecosystem. Let's check out this the market cap. You can see the market cap is increasing with the TVL. So if the increase in TVL should be equal to increase in market cap and increase in price. Okay, let's check out for the price and see if this is true too. You can see the price. No, this is not the price. Look at the price. You can see the price is on the last $1.6. You can see the price is increasing with the TVL and market cap. So this same thing should apply if the market cap, if the TVL is decreasing, the market cap should be decreasing, the price should be decreasing too. If TVL is moving up and price hasn't moved up yet, it's an indication that the token could do well. If the TVL is moving up and the price hasn't gone up yet, the TVL is say $5 million, the price is say $1. and the TVL move to $10 million and the price is say 1.5 or 1.2, it doesn't move with speed with TVL. That means the token could do well. It's possible that the token will do well. This has happened severally on different ecosystems. If the stablecoin volume and the quantity is increasing, it tells you that they're actually buying tokens under that ecosystem. As you can see here, the stablecoin, let me check for only stablecoin, let me remove other indicators. Let's check for only stablecoin. You can see the stablecoins is increasing. If the stablecoin volume and quantity is increasing, it tells you that they're actually buying tokens under that ecosystem, which is a good thing, which is a good indicator for you to enter that ecosystem and get a token from there. So if the TVL is bigger than the market cap, the ecosystem is undervalued. We have what we call undervalued gem or undervalued ecosystem, overvalued gem, overvalued ecosystem. So if the TVL is bigger than the market cap, the ecosystem or token is undervalued. But if the market cap is bigger than the TVL, the ecosystem or token is overvalued. So that is how to use the DeFi Llama. So this same thing, you can do this same thing, you can repeat the same process for different chains, different coins, different tokens, different, so it all depends on the chain you want to check out for and the coin you want to buy from. So this 7 days, you can still change it. 7 days, you can see the percentage in 7 days of tokens that have done well in the past 7 days from the top most gainers the list. The same thing with 1 day, you can see all that and check. So this is basically how to use the DeFi Llama to indicate to check out for tokens and do your own research on them. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, do make a comment under the comment section below. Be rest assured that a team member will be available to answer your question. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.